Hi, my name is Gokul Narayan. I'm a lead faculty with the Asian School of Cyber Laws and a mediator with the Center for Advanced Mediation Practice in Bangalore. And in this video, I want to speak to you about mediation. What is mediation? Mediation is a form of alternative dispute resolution, which is very different from the typical system offered by courts. What is the difference, you may ask? Let's start. First, a mediation proceeding is handled by a mediator and not by a judge, which basically means the mediator is not looking at who's right and who's wrong, rather trying to figure out what the rights of the parties are and how he or she can bring them to an amicable solution to the dispute. Secondly, the parties always remain in control of the proceedings. By this, I mean they can opt in or opt out of the mediation proceeding at any given point of time, no questions asked. Third, the focus of the mediation proceedings is, like I said earlier, the feelings and the emotions that the parties are going through with the intention of trying to solve the problem rather than deciding who's right and who's wrong. This gives a lot of opportunity for the mediator to look at the parties and what their actual problems are, communicate the same to the opposite side, and come to an amicable solution. Next, it's an extremely flexible process. By this, I mean the proceedings can be done in person with the mediator, they can be done virtually, they can be done as a combination of an online virtual system as well as a physical hearing system. So, extremely flexible. It's very cost effective. Why? Because the only fees that you're paying is that of the mediator. And in India, typically that fee is extremely low. Mediation proceedings are extremely fast. By this, I mean a typical mediation could be resolved in as little as 10 hours. So the time that you spend in resolving the dispute also significantly reduces. And last but not the least, it is an extremely confidential process. And by this, I mean any admissions made by the parties before the mediator or any concessions made by them to each other with the intent of solving the dispute cannot be held. So that's mediation in a nutshell. Feel free to write into us and let us know what you feel about this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Pleasure speaking to you as usual. Thank you.